Welcome to today's video. I'm glad you're here because in this tutorial, we will explore how you can easily create a group using the Line app on your phone. Whether you want to stay connected with friends, family, or colleagues, first, open the Line app on your phone. Next, tap the Add Friend icon, located at the top right. Then, choose the option to create a group and tap Next. Now, enter a name for your group. At this stage, you can also decide whether to turn on or off the option for members to join automatically. After that, you can change the group icon. Tap on the camera icon and select from the available list, or choose a custom photo from your phone gallery by clicking Select Photo. Once you've chosen, tap Next. Then, press Done to confirm your settings. Finally, tap Create at the top right corner and your group will be ready to use. Creating a group on the Line app is quick and customizable, giving you options to name your group, set an icon, and manage member settings. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.